If you have worked in computing for any number of time, you might know that one of the most expensive operation in computing is sorting. Sorting just simply means to make something in order. It is a method of organizing a number of items in a particular order. Examples of sorting include alphabetizing three letters, arranging six numbers from biggest to smallest, or ordering a database of millions of records. This method has evolved throughout history. One of the earliest examples dates back to the 2nd and 3rd century when scholars alphabetized thousands of books by hand on the shelves of Great Library of Alexandria. Fast forward to the past few decades, there have been a lot of algorithms in computing which strive to be faster in order to produce more sorting results. For example, in the databases, especially in RDBMS, we saw the rise of indexes which sort the database records to make database search faster. But the thing is that contemporary algorithms have evolved much and they have reached to their limit. It's very hard to optimize them further. That is why AlphaDev's new algorithm for sorting is gaining momentum and has attracted attention of everyone. AlphaDev uncovered faster algorithms by starting from scratch rather than refining existing algorithms. And they also began looking where most humans don't, the computer's assembly instructions. Assembly instructions are used to create binary code for computers to put into action. While developers write coding languages like C++ or Java as high language, this must be translated into low-level assembly instructions for computer to understand. And that is where AlphaDev's algorithm is shining. Now, AlphaDev uncovered new sorting algorithm that led to improvement in the LLVM libc++ sorting library that were up to 70% faster for shorter sequences and about 1.7% faster for sequence exceeding more than 250,000 elements. As you can see on your screen, this is a simple example of how AlphaDev is doing the sorting behind the scene. They have described it in very good detail in their paper, and I will put the link to that paper in video's description. I believe that this is a huge achievement by AlphaDev, and this is going to be proven very beneficial when it comes to more algorithmic optimization in terms of large language models. I think if we would be applying this approach to LLM models, even away from the sorting, this is going to shine a lot. And the next phase of this optimization, maybe powered by deep reinforcement learning, could well be around the corner because lot of people are building models which are efficient and consume less energy and time. Thanks for listening.